hello. You're welcome to Lolly's channel again. And today we're going to be doing another DIY, do it yourself. And this time around, we're going to be doing a flower vase with our cups. Your regular cups in your house, you can do a flower vase. So let's do it together. I'm having 3 cups here, and I'm having my gum. I have my gum. This is good for glasses. There are gum that is good for glasses, and there are the ones that they are good for plastics. So you must make sure you get the one that is good for glasses. And I have my little tray right here. So I'm having my gum, hot gum, but I'm not using it now. Let me just put it aside, and I have my flowers. Okay, so let's get into it. The first thing I'm going to be doing is setting my cup aside, taking 2 of the cup. I'm going to put one down and the other one generously putting your gum in. So I'm generously going to put gum in. So, and the other one, I'm just going to place it on it. That is the bottom together and the side. Make sure it's even, is equal, and it's standing well. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside. Pick up my bowl. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is putting this to my bowl. So I will repeat the same process all over again. Generously putting your glue. So putting it on. So I'm going to do this. I want it on top. So the next thing I'm going to be putting is my gold glittery stone. So I'm going to be putting it inside the cup so that we'll be able to have just a pinch of it. And I'm going to put it in the other one. It depends on what you have. If you have a gold glittery, you can put it. If you don't have, you can put a piece of ruffle in. So whatever thing you have. So I'm going to be putting a little more. And the next thing, I'll set this aside. The next thing is I'm going to be putting my flower inside. I just placed my flower in. So I'll put the next one. In. So now I'm going to cover this up. So I need to be very careful of where I put my glue. I don't want it all through messy. So I'm just going to set this aside, and I will carefully drop it at the tip here. This is only the one that is a little trickish at the side. So I'm just going to paste it on top. So I'm going to allow it to dry for a while, at least 3 hours, and I will be back. Sorry about that. I'm still going to coat this so that at least we have everything drying at the same time. So I'm coating this. I need them to dry at the same time. I'm putting pressure. Okay. So carefully lift this up and just paste it in the middle. We allow it to dry finally. We're going to paste our ball on it with my hot glue. I'm just allowing it. So I do the same thing. Okay. So we'll be back soon. Okay, now we are going to be doing the adding the flowers. So I'm trying to get the color here, have all white. So the flower has a iron, so that is why it's going so smoothly. Just press it in. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to be doing is adding some green color, some leaf. So what do I do to it? Just have it on a hot glue and stick it in. So I'm going to be sticking it in. So I'm sticking it in. If you are not careful, you can easily get burnt. So when you're sticking in, be sure you know what you're doing so that you won't get burned. So let's stick in. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to get my roses fixed. I'm using a red roses. I don't have one now, but if you do have white, it's good. So you cut it off. Once you have, or your scissors, you can use your scissors to cut. So what do? I get in my hot glue and just put it to the level I want it to be. So have a look at it. Let's do one more time. Get your hot glue in and just fix this. And now it's going to dry. You can say, so how does this look? Good. So I'm going to be covering it up with leaf because here is open. So, so have a look at it. So the next thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting our glue again to pad in our leaves. So repeat the same process until you are done. So we're going to cover this place up. It's a little open and yellow. This is what we've gotten. So is it friends? So have a look at it. It just made, wow, isn't it beautiful? Please do share, subscribe, give us a thumbs up. God bless you. And in case you want to have your occasion done and you need this type of flowers, please, I'm going to be putting my contact in the description box. You can email me or give me a WhatsApp call. The Lord bless you. Thank you. Bye.